Hi everyone. Today I discuss about when you write HTML code in Visual Studio, then you showing one problem, emit method not working. So how to fix that problem? You open Visual Studio Code application. After that you go to setting, then setting. You click extension. After that auto rename tag configuration edit in setting .json. You click here. You attach some code here, that is emmet dot target extension on tab. Click enter. You see here false. You write true, true. Okay, sorry, true, true. After that you write one more code, that is files dot associations used one asterisk symbol. After that write html, then clone, write html. After that you save these files. Press ctrl s. I open new file. Sorry, open file. I open this one. Folder. I want to open folder actually. File, open folder. I create one file here. A new file p.html. You see my image is working. You see, when I exclamatory symbol I use, then press enter. See, the image is working properly. Okay, and I simply I simply used here h3. After that I press tab. You see the working properly. H3 closing bracket is came here. Okay, thank you guys watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video.